In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text and objects in PowerPoint. Whether you're building a pitch deck or a lesson, a few well-placed animations can guide attention and make your message clearer. Start by selecting the item you want to animate. Click directly on the text box, shape, image, or icon, so it's outlined with a bounding box. This tells PowerPoint exactly which object you're working with. Next, head to the Animations tab on the ribbon at the top. This is your control center for all animation tools and settings. Now apply an animation. In the gallery, you'll see categories like entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Click the one that fits your goal and it's instantly applied to the selected object. As a quick tip, entrance effects bring things onto the slide, emphasis draws attention to items already there, and exit removes them. If you click a different animation from the gallery without using Add Animation, it replaces the current one. To fine-tune the look, click Effect Options. Depending on the effect, you can adjust direction or style, such as having text fly in from the left or fading in more subtly. Choose the behavior that supports your message rather than distracts from it. Before moving on, click Preview to see how it looks. This quick check helps you decide if the motion is smooth, too flashy, or just right for the pace of your slide. Next, adjust timing. Under timing, set Start to On click if you want to trigger it during your talk, with previous to play at the same time as the prior animation, or after previous to chain it automatically. Tweak duration to control speed, shorter for snappier motion, longer for a smoother glide. Add a delay if you want the animation to wait before starting. If you need more than one effect on the same object, select it again, choose Add Animation, and pick another effect. This stacks animations instead of replacing them, which is great if something needs to appear, and then gently emphasize. Order matters, especially with multiple effects. Each animation shows a small numbered marker. Select the marker and use Move Earlier to play it sooner or Move Later to push it back in the sequence. To animate several objects at once, hold Control and click each item to multi-select. Then choose an animation on the Animations tab, and they'll all receive the same effect together. A final tip: use animations sparingly, keep them consistent, and focus on clarity, not distraction. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.